Hey everyone, my name is Cathy Johnson. This is my week 3 video submission for the acne category for the Skin Games. I am so proud of my model. There is already a visible difference in her skin. Her overall skin appearance is already looking brighter and less congested. My focus this week is healing her skin barrier and keeping her skin nice and hydrated. Along with the visible difference, I also noticed extractions were easier to perform. I got a lot of her congestion out, and due to that, I decided to opt out of using a steamer. I really wanted to focus on cooling and calming effects for her face to help reduce any inflammation and irritation. I used both neon and argon high frequency on Tatiana's skin. The neon gas is good for boosting circulation and increasing cell metabolism, and argon is good for killing acne-causing bacteria and reducing inflammation. I foresee us doing a few more hydrating facials to combat the acne, and then we can later focus on the hyperpigmentation. Thank you for watching.